Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Doc and the source references side by side so you can edit without guessing. Locate each in-text citation using Find. This saves scrolling. Once done, confirm the required citation style. APA versus MLA changes punctuation and order. Now, pick the first problematic citation and decide whether to replace, reformat, or link to a reference in your bibliography. This first action speeds up the rest. Doing it consistently prevents mixed styles later. Now you systematically fix each citation. Replace variants with the standardized form you chose. Use Find and Replace for repeated mistakes, but make a copy first. Mass edits can be risky. Next, normalize authors, year placement, and punctuation so every citation follows the same pattern. If you prefer automation, insert citations using the Google Docs citation tool. It updates the bibliography automatically. Once done, skim for accidental duplicates or missing commas that break style rules. Finish by updating the bibliography to reflect your standardized in-text citations. Make sure every citation has a matching entry. Mismatches create lost references. If you use the Docs citation tool, refresh the bibliography. If manual, alphabetize and verify DOI or URL accuracy. Once done, run a final pass for punctuation and spelling errors in references. If something still looks wrong, the troubleshooting tip: revert to your backup. Fix one citation fully, then reapply that exact pattern to others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.